Welcome to Titan's troubleshooting video for the Impact 440 through the 640 filter seal replacement. Let's start by locating the filter housing and noting the area where the seal could leak if it's not kept clean or damaged while cleaning or replacing the filter. Now we will identify where the seal is located and what it looks like when properly installed. Note, the seal is hard to see in the housing due to the similar coloring. First, remove the faceplate so it does not leak or become damaged during service. Next, wipe out the wet cup of piston lube to prevent it from dripping. Loosen and remove the filter housing. If necessary, use a wrench. Now position the unit on its front end. Using a pick or very small flat screwdriver, poke the seal enough to pull it out part way. Then get behind the seal with your tool and pull it out the rest of the way. Take care not to gouge the housing where the seal sits or any of the leading threads. Before installing the new seal, be sure to have all your tools ready so you can move through the steps smoothly. Due to the seal's rigid material, it is helpful to flex it in order to soften it up. This will help with installation. Once installation has begun, be sure to maintain contact with the seal all the way around to prevent it from popping back out. Work the seal around with your finger and a smooth tool. Continue checking the seal to make sure it does not move out of place. Once you have the seal installed, finish by pressing it into place with a smooth object like a socket or extension. When you have the seal fully installed, check it for kinks with your finger. Now mate the seal to the filter housing smooth surface. Here it's a good idea to add some lubricant to both surfaces. The final step is to install the filter housing without the filter and seat it against the seal. Once installed, remove the housing and notice the seal shape change. Now reinstall your filter with your housing hand tight. Lastly, flip the unit back up and reinstall your faceplate. Thanks for watching Titan's troubleshooting video for the Impact 440 through 640. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.